Hey there! Today I'm gonna show you a feature about integrating third-party tools on the pools area. You know that Veertly is all about integrating with other tools, really customizing all your event to what you'd like to use. So we thought that we could enhance the pools area. Instead of only having the native Veertly one, that you could use another tools, like for example sli.do. So you can easily create your sli.do pools and the event. Get the link from get the link from the Slido. The link is copied, and now you can go to your cockpit on the configuration section. At the full bottom you have the pools area, so you can have custom pool area. So you can enable it. You copy the link event, which is already there, and if you go back to Veertly, you can see that the pools now is using the Slido. We are talking about Slido, but you can integrate any other tool. Simply the page will be embedded on this area of the event, so you can extend it with your own tools and interact with other participants, even if they are not in a Veertly event. And on a hybrid use case, this will be really useful. We hope that this will be useful for you. Let us know what you think about it and which other tools you'd like to see integrated here. Don't forget to check our marketplace and the list of possible applications on our help center that you can use to integrate on your own events, and let us know which other tools you are using so that we can extend that list. Wish you a good day. Thank you very much.